Estate planning, when we're dealing with blended families, is often overlooked but is very critical. Uh, for example, this is a situation that is not unheard of, I'm not going to say that I see frequently, but I do see it on a fairly regular basis. Usually, the situation is an older couple, second marriages each. They each have children from their first marriage, and they get married and they start combining their assets, and then one passes away. In the absence of planning, that can be problematic because um, often the situation is the surviving spouse, because they have commingled their assets together, the surviving spouse becomes the beneficiary or the recipient of all of the marital assets, or at least a significant part of them. And then later, when the surviving spouse passes away, usually between that first death and the second death, one of the children makes sure that either mom or dad does some kind of an estate plan to make sure that all of the estate goes to the children of the surviving spouse who passed away second. So we end up with a situation where the everything that the first spouse to die worked for an entire lifetime basically ends up in the hands of stepchildren, and their own children are often written out and get nothing.